Hello, today vegan dessert, vegan butter we make together so easy way. In case if you cannot find in the market vegan butter, here the easy way to make it and tasty. You can spread in the bread. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes, corporate pastry chef for many cruise line. Visit all over the world and bring the original recipe from the source. 150 coconut oil, 150 olive extra virgin, 100 vegan milk. Actually, this is soya milk. 2 tablespoons apple cider. Almost 1 gram of salt. You can increase or reduce, is up to you. And this 3 gram of soya milk. 4 ingredients. You blend it for 3 minutes in high speed. Soya milk bring all combined together and becomes a butter. If you don't have soya milk, soya lecithin, you can add it instead coconut oil. You have to double the recipe because coconut oil is much stronger to combine everything. You can pour into silicone or ice cubes or any jar, keep in the fridge 3 hours or overnight in the fridge. As you see, you can use it for baking, you can use it for cooking, you can spread with the bread. Taste and looks so delicious. If this first time to watch me, I have section in my YouTube only for vegan cake, vegan dessert, vegan macaron, everything belong to vegan here in my channel. Thanks. I'm waiting you in next video.